Saturday the 24th of June. Look at the state of these fucking gloves, man. Fucking absolute cock. I'm gonna wake the fucking neighborhood here. What happened to your mirrors? So it's 9:30 in the morning. I stayed here in Galera at the Hotel Galera, I think is how it's pronounced. It was €56 a night for that place, which I think is a bit too expensive. Actually, I don't think, I know it's too expensive compared to what I paid for in other places. I mean, it's not even in a particularly hot spot. That's all I found in the whole area. Even in the town up Huescar, which is where I was going to stop, whatever the fuck the pronunciation is. Very expensive accommodation for some reason. So, yeah, wasn't planning to stay here any more than one night. And my plan is continue to Murcia today, which, according to the plan, Drew, is 400 kilometers and will take me 11 hours. We're going to rejoin back onto section 20 of the set. That terminates just a little bit northeast of here, and then we join onto section 12. And I'll run that for, I don't know, I suppose it's probably about 200 kilometers. It sounds like a lot for dirt road bullshit. 24 degrees already, and it's fucking 20 to 9, quarter to 10 in the... Let me try that again. 24 degrees or fucking 20 to 10 in the morning. What a view. That is beautiful. Oh, what a perfectly straight road. I'm a bit sad I've already passed through Portugal, you know that? Enjoyed it. Beautiful. But it was over so quick. I was there for what? 2 weeks? Was it even 2 weeks? 9 days or something? Jeez, it's quite rutted already. Sign of things to come, I suspect, you know. Left here. Down the riverbed. Is that what you're telling me? Up this way. This is what Albania's gonna be like. Big fucking rocks like this shit. Oh, I've gone off track here. I need to be over the right side. How did I manage that? I should be able to get back onto it, I think. Am I literally just driving the riverbed? Like, is that what it wants me to do? Because I'm not doing that. Not when there's fucking this. It's the bit I don't enjoy about the tech, is that they just seem to make things awkwardly difficult for no reason. I think we're just heading straight down this. Prohibido El Paso. Ooh, you bastard. I'll tell you what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to keep my average speed up. Well, I'm not getting stupid about it. Whoa, that rope could have fucked you. And just like that, you're out of house. What's wrong with this road? Someone's casa. There's nobody living in there now. Ooh, this is a rocky ditch. There's our fucking progress out the window. This is going to slow us down quite a bit. Straight ahead, left or right side? Oh, you bollocks. Yeah, I'll stop up here for change out the battery. Oh my god, it's fucking pure tarmac, lads. I'll find somewhere with a bit of shade. There's a bit of shade I can stop here actually, and the road is wide enough. Lavender! So I've rejigged my route a bit to make it a bit more time manageable. So we're down to 260 kilometers. Approximation of ETA 6 hours. Yeah, we'll see how that goes. That's a big ass fly. Look at that motherfucker. Oh, look at that fella. Thought that was a stick to begin with. How long am I going to get stuck behind this guy for? Oh, this is rough. I don't think that's a problem at the moment. Where is this fucking turn? What the fuck is this? Are these a lot of rocks here? Oh, that's slippy. Ah, fly in the eye, goddammit. That fly is still in my eye. It keeps squinting and making things worse. Ah. Oh, this could be problematic. Yeah. I wonder when the fuck this got washed away. People have crossed here. That would be pretty tricky for me to get up there, I'm going to be honest with you. Because I can't carry a whole lot of speed at it. feel like this must be a recent thing. So while I was stopped here, two older lads came up on EXC250 and a Husqvarna 300, I think. So considerably lighter than what I had. One of them lives here 15 years. He says he's never seen the road like that before, but of course them on the lighter bikes with no luggage, they were able to just skip above the left side that I was considering. But yeah, it's not possible for me. Anyway, let's get this turned around and get out of here. I have to fucking reconfigure this as to where I'm going. So we've had a revelation, lads. I decided to check Revolut for the golf resort place just to see. And it's coming in at about 234 nights. Like 50 fucking 8 a night or something like that. That's pretty good going. It's probably gonna take me about an hour from here. Yeah, 54 minutes.